right, we're going to do some addition and subtraction practice. So I need you to get out 3 things. I need you to get out your Say It, Tap It, Map It board, your tiny marker, and your eraser. They're in your travel toolkit inside your folder. So find those 3 things, and we're going to use the back of our Map It board. I need just a couple minutes. If you need more time, go ahead and pause your video so that you can get out your stuff and you'll be ready. Alright, we're going to talk about some word problems. So let's do an addition first. So Bob had 4 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Since you don't have blocks, you can draw circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sue gave him 3 more. So if you get more of something, are we going to be adding or subtracting? We're going to be adding. So I'm going to draw a plus sign and then my 3 flowers. So now I need to count them all together. So let's write our number sentence first so we don't forget. So we had our 4 flowers plus our 3 flowers, and then we want our equal sign, and we're going to find our answer. So let's practice. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what's my answer? 7. So I have all together 7 flowers. All right, reset your board. So erase. All right. Paul had 9 pieces of candy. So 9 pieces of candy. How many did he have? 9. So I'm going to put 9. His sister ate 4 of them. If she ate them, are they still there? Nope, they're gone. So I'm going to take away 4. Let's count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you needed to draw a picture, like on your homework or on your test, you could draw a picture. How many did we start with? 9. So let's draw 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And she ate 4 of them, so I'm going to take 4 away because they're gone. Now I need to know how many are left. So I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my answer is 5. Alright, let's reset our boards. If it's not coming off, you may have to push down. Make sure you're using the black side, not the colored side. That way it erases. Alright. Let's see. Dave had 6 toy cars. So how many did he have? 6. He got 4 more at the store. So if he got more, are we making a bigger number or a smaller number? Bigger. So we're going to add the 4 he got from the store. And then I'm going to count them all together. Good. Ready? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many did he have in all? 10. So my answer is 10. Let's draw a picture to show that we know what to do. So I'm going to draw the 6 he has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the 4 that he got at the store. Then I'm going to count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that shows our 10 in all. All right, a couple more. Let's reset our boards. All right. Let's see. What if we say Molly has 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stuffed animals. 3 of them were under her bed. How many can she see? So let's see, she had 9, and 3 of them she can't see. So if we can't see them, it's like they're not there. So we're going to take them away and find out how many are left that she can see. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many can she see? 6. Let's draw a picture to match our number sentence. If you need to pause it and catch up, you can. Don't worry. That's the great thing about video is we can pause and catch up. All right, so we have 9. So I'm going to draw 9 circles. Make sure your circles aren't touching so that you can count them easier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm going to take away the 3 that she can't see. 1, 2, 3. Now I can count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job. All right, go ahead and reset your board. You can go back to your workbook pages that you had earlier. It should look like this. Oops. You're going to need a crayon or a pencil. If you need more time, you can pause it and catch up. All right, so let's look at the instructions. It says, how many snowballs? Solve the problem and show your work. Rosa made 8 snowballs. Max also made 8 snowballs. There's one of our sight words also. How many snowballs did they make? So we're trying to find out how many they made together. So am I going to be adding or subtracting? We know that when it wants us to know how many did they make, gives us a clue that they're going to be adding. So we know Rosa made 8. So I'm going to draw 8 circles. I'm going to go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you want to do one color for Rosa and one color for Max, that's okay. So Max also made 8. So I'm going to draw 8 more circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if I'm adding them, I'm going to count them together. I'm going to add them together. So I'm going to draw my number sentence at the bottom. 8 plus 8 more equals something. We're not sure yet what that something is. So let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So my answer is 16 snowballs that they made in all. So 8 plus 8 equals 16. If you need to catch up, pause this video so you can finish this page. When you're ready, flip it over, just like our reading test, to number 2. All right, I'm going to get my crayon back out, and we're talking about Rosa's apples this time. Listen to my story. Rosa went to the store and bought 19 apples. I'm going to underline that because it sounds important. She used 8 of them to make applesauce. If she used them, do I have them anymore? No, they're gone. It's like when you eat it. You can't see it anymore. It's gone. So how many apples does Rosa have now? So am I going to be adding or taking away? I'm going to take away. So I'm going to draw 19 apples. So I'm just going to do circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And she used how many? 8. So I'm going to mark out 8 of them, but only mark 8. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I need to count how many are left. So we know we had 19 and we took away 8 equals something. So let's count how many are left. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what's my answer? 11. Good. Make sure you put these back in your green folder so you can bring them back when we come back to school.